Hi guys, welcome back to Champion Craft, and we're in a series of Python for beginners course, and this is a complete course. In this lecture I'm going to talk about IO basics. In this IO basics I want to talk about input and output formats, and also wanted to talk about some string manipulations, the concatenation, finding the length of the string, and string multiplication, and string indexing and all. So let me start with input and output basics. So let us say there is a requirement where the user has to, the user will give his name as an input, and our program need to read that input name and need to say hi to that name. For example, if I give a name as Srinu, so our program should read our name, my name, like Srinu, and it should say hi Srinu. So we can do that using input function. So let us declare a variable name, and using input function, so we're gonna ask please enter your good name, good name, and so this gonna ask when this will actually read the name from the user and assign that name to name variable. So we're gonna print hi Mr. dot and comma name. So what this print function will do is this will print hi Mr. dot and followed by name. We can actually give multiple parameters per print statement. There could be any type. So in this case we are using string first and then variable. So let's execute this. So it's still executing. I think it's taking a while. Let's wait for a moment. See, it is asking us for a name, right? So let me enter Srinu. I'm hitting enter now. See, it is printed as Mr. Srinu. So this is about input function. And now let's talk about working with strings. This is a introductory talking about working with strings. We'll be having a detailed deep dive into all the respective data type functions like for list and tuple and string dictionaries and all. These are something that we actually required while we actually starting our journey. So let's talk about string concatenation. For string concatenation, we can use a symbol plus operator here. For suppose str1 equal to Srinu and str2 equal to chi and ha. So in order to concatenate these two, we can use result equal to str1 plus str2, and we can actually print result. So now this will print Srinu Chinta, right? So let me keep things very simple. I don't even use all these things. Let me keep things very simple. So I can give like this and like this, and I can give like this. So even you don't mention print statement here. This is only specific to Google Colab. This will by default use print statement. To avoid confusion, let me keep like this then. So what I'm doing now is I'm concatenating three strings. The first string is Srinu, and the second string is string with only a space, and the third string is Chinta. Okay, so now if I execute this will print me Srinu space Chinta. So this is about string concatenation. One thing we need to cautious about is let me delete this. So we cannot concatenate a string with a number or like that, different data types. String only concatenated can be concatenated with string itself. But suppose if I try to concatenate print Srinu plus, let us say 215 or 20, number 20, this will give me error because we are trying to concatenate a string with a number value, number type. So there are two different data types, right? So that's why this is throwing error. So we talked about string concatenation and string concatenation errors. Now let's talk about string repetition. Let us say you have a string like this one. So srinu, okay. So now I want to print srinu 10 times, okay. So what I can do is I can use a asterisk operator here. So Srinu into how many times I want to print, it's 10 times, right? So if I do 10 times, let me comment this one, this will print me Srinu for 10 times. So using this we can actually do string repetition. Let's talk about finding the length of the string. So if I want to find the length of the string, I can use a function called len. So I can use, for suppose length, this is, I'm creating a variable, my name length equal to length of my name Srinu. So if I want to print my name length, so this will print 5 since there are only 5 characters, srinu. This is also a useful method. And the other one is slicing, string indexing actually. Let me take a variable name equal to Srinu. So this how the string indexing works is, so every string starts with an index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let me show you. If I print name of 0, this is gonna give me yes, okay, see, yes. Likewise, if you place 1, 2, 3, 4, so this gonna give me so it's gonna be R, and this is gonna give me I, this is gonna give me N, and this is gonna give me U. Let's see, we have srinu. If I choose to put 5 here, I'll get an error because there is no index 5, right? So our name only have 4 index till 4th index. See, including 0, if we count including 0, we have 5 letters already done by 4th index, right? So we don't have a 5th index. So if you try to access the 5th index, that will give you index out of range. So this is the thing that I want to talk about. And that's it for this video, guys. I'll come up with another video about the typecasting and all in the next series. In the next video. Thanks for watching. If you find this content useful, and if you like this content, I request you to share to your friends and subscribe to my channel. My channel name is Champion Craft. Thank you, guys. Have a good day. Bye bye.